Hi, welcome to the Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add apps in Allow Notifications Work Focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Work. Then after that, in the Work Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then after that, in the Notifications, under Allow Notifications From, click the positive sign to add the applications that you want. For example, you want to add FaceTime and Gcash. Then all you have to do is just click the small circle on the side until there's a check mark. And I have two applications selected. Then if you're done, just click Done. And your application is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added apps in Allow Notifications Work Focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.